Hey everyone, if your Microsoft Word documents look plain or unorganized, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you how to format text like a pro using the most important tools in Microsoft Word. By the end, you'll know how to make your documents clean, professional, and easy to read. Before making any changes, select the text you want to format. Simply click and drag your mouse across the words, or double-click to select a word. Once the text is highlighted, you're ready to apply formatting. With the text selected, go to the Home tab. From there, you can choose a different font, adjust the font size, or increase and decrease the size using the quick buttons. Yeah, pick a font that's easy to read and appropriate for your document. Next, you can make important text stand out. Click bold for stronger emphasis, italic for a softer style, or underline to highlight keywords. You can also change the text color or use the text highlight tool to draw attention to specific information. To improve readability, so use the alignment buttons. You can align text to the left, center it, align it to the right, or justify it across the page. You can also adjust line spacing to create more space between lines, making longer documents easier to read. If you're creating notes or instructions, use bullet points or numbered lists to organize your information. And if you ever want to remove all formatting from selected text, simply choose Clear All Formatting to return it to the default style. And that's how you format text in Microsoft Word. With these simple tools, you can create documents that look polished and professional in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.